Kama kawaida, hii ni app masoiv.com. Ni website nyingine ya kuweza kutengeneza pesa kupitia njia hii ya mtandao, na hii ni survey website, okay? Kwa hiyo hapa nitakuonyesha jinsi gani ya kuweza kutengeneza free account katika account hii, katika website hii. Kwa hiyo sehemu hii ya kwanza, kama jinsi unavyoona imeandikwa create your account, you can enter your first name, last name, email address, password, confirm password, then invitation code, na hapa nitaingiza jina langu ambayo ni Garima, then nitaweka last name TZ. After that I will enter my email address, which is mrbloggertz@gmail.com. Then baada ya hapo nitaweka password zangu. Ukishaweza kuweka password zako, sehemu hii ya chini utaziconfirm au kuzirudia password. Baada ya hapo uta-click neno create account, then wait for the moment for account. We have sent a verification code to this one. You need to verify. Okay, verify your email. Verification code ambazo zimetumwa utaziingiza katika sehemu hiyo, na verification code hizo ni kama jinsi unavyoona hapo, 357,244 357,244. Then uta click verify. Kwa hiyo baada ya verification kuweza kukamilika, sasa hatua inayofuata ni kama jinsi inavyoonekana hapa. Kuna personal information you need to do this. Kwa hiyo utaingiza location yako ambayo ni, kwa mimi location yangu ni Tanzania, nitaiweka kama jinsi unavyoona hapo. Then baada ya kuingiza location yangu hapo, nitaweza kuchagua age maybe 25, then click next, and after that kuna gender, select your gender. You can select if you are male or female, then your height. Okay, after that ethnicity, you can select this is African. This is African, then click continue. After that there is years of experience. Kwa utachagua tena sehemu hii. Hatua inayofuata hapa kuna professional information na job title general manager. Years of experience, utachagua pia job title ambao unahitaji hapa. Okay, for instance number of employees in the company, click continue. Okay, you can select the job title. Say teacher, click next. Years of experience, let's say 5 years, next. Okay, industry, say education, click next. After that number of employee in the company, 2, click go. Then click next. Okay, number of people in your home. You need to put number of people in your home. 5. Click next. Number of children. Click. After that, household income. Click continue. Then here, excellent. As you see, excellent. Before submitting the form, make sure you fill the required, then click submit. Profile updated successfully. Kwa mpaka hapo tayari unakuwa umeshakamilisha profile yako, na baada ya hapo sasa let's see what's wrong here. Nothing wrong. Then baada ya hapa sasa tunakuwa tumeshamaliza. Kwa hiyo ukiingia sehemu hii utaweza kuona vitu vyote ambavyo vipo. Kwa hiyo hapa kama jinsi unavyoona kuna analytics, kuna earnings. Kwa hiyo ukiklik sehemu hii ni sehemu ya earnings. Okay, my earnings. Kwa hiyo earnings zako utakuwa unaziona hapo. Okay, my earnings, my transaction. Kwa hiyo sign up bonus 4 minutes ago $1. Kwa hiyo utakapojiunga utaweza kupata $1. Okay, na my wallet, all my times earning you can check here. Total earning from survey. Kwa if you do survey you can check your earnings here. Total earning from referral you can check here. Total withdraw you can also check there. My available balance is 1. Kwa let's see how to withdraw. Minimum withdraw should be 10. Kwa kuweza withdraw lazima ufikishe $10. Kwa hapa na $1, na nikifikisha $10 basi nitaweza kufanya withdraw na nitakuonyesha. Kwa hiyo link nimekuwekea kwenye description. Unaweza ukaichukua link kwenye description na ukaendelea kujoin pamoja na my referral. You can check also your referral statistic, track your earnings and impact. Total referral users 0, the second level, total team level. Okay, unlock the power of referral. Here some benefit for referral program: earn instant cash bonus, refer someone to our platform and instantly earn $1 as referral bonus. Not only that, the person you refer will also receive $1 sign up bonus, giving them a head start. Increase your earning as a referral. You have the potential to earn this one of the income generated by the referral. The more active and successful they are, the more you earn. Multi-level referral commission, 3 level. Okay, personalize and support. To refer, then social link, you can get your code here, referral code. You can get your referral link here and then you can share it with your friends. Na baada ya watu kuweza kujiunga, basi utazidi kupata commission ya maana na utaweza kujitengenezea pesa kabisa. Main dashboard, main process: total surveys completed 0, total earning from survey 0, total referral 0, total earning 0, available balance that one, total withdraw. My surveys all completed. Kwa kama jinsi unavyoona kuna surveys hapa. Consumer preference: understand what factors influence consumers purchasing decision. You can start now. Time limit. Here as you see, question 1 out of 25. There are 25 questions here. What age group do you belong to? I'm here. Then click continue. What is your gender? I'm a male. Continue. How often do you make online purchase? Weekly. What type of product do you mostly purchase online? Electronic and gadget, fashion and apparel, home, kitchen, health, let's say electronic. Okay, what factors influence your decision to purchase a product online? Price, product quality, brand reputation, customer view, shipping and delivery option. Okay, how much do you consider online promotion and a discount before making a purchase? Always. Okay, which social media platform influence your purchasing decision? This Facebook. Okay, how important is eco-friendly line's decision to purchase a product? Very important. What payment method? Credit, PayPal. This is digital wallet. How likely are you to purchase a product based on your personalized recommendation? Very likely. Do online reviews influence for your decision to purchase a product? Yes, significantly. What factors make you loyal to a particular brand when making repeat purchases? Excellent customer service. How often do you purchase a product based on celebrity endorsement? Sometimes. Performance and speed. When purchasing electronic, what purchase do you prefer? Performance and speed, battery life, camera quality, display resolution. Performance and speed. How important is free shipping? Very important. What factors is likely prepare to try a new brand product? Positive word mouth. Do you prefer to purchase product from local business or global brand? Local. How often do you research a product before making purchase? Always. Okay, what type of advertisement do you find most influence? TV commercial, online banner ads, influencer endorsement, email marketing, social media? Very likely. Yes, very important. What product categories? Electronic and gadget? Very likely. Okay, then survey completed. Thank you for taking part in our survey. Go to home. Kwa hii ni website ambayo unaweza ukacomplete survey ndani ya muda mfupi na ukaweza kupata commission zako, okay? Kwa survey ya kwanza tayari tumeweza kukamilisha, na kuna survey nyingine hapa ambayo utapata 0.0 site explore social media hints users you can start. Okay, as you see here, question 1 out of 20. Okay, you can select this, then this. You can read the answers and try to complete. Okay, survey completed. Thank you. Then you can go to home. Kwa hiyo baada ya kuweza kucomplete survey zako zote, basi utaweza kupata commission zako, na survey ulizo complete zote utaweza kuziona hapo. Kwa survey zipo nyingi kama jinsi unavyoona hapa, survey zipo nyingi. Unachotakiwa kufanya ni kuweza kuzicomplete. Baada ya kuweza kucomplete, basi utaweza kupata balance yako na commission zako zitaweza kuwekwa ndani ya masaa 24. Utaweza kupata commission zako, okay? Then usahau pia kusubscribe na kulike channel ya Feaboy TZ. Okay, asante na karibu tena.